Hi, I'm Mike Elliott, and you're watching CEO Roadshow, and we feature small and mid-cap stocks that may be undervalued or have other upcoming catalysts that make them a potential long-term investment opportunity. Today, we're joined by Miss Erin Heit. She is the head of marketing for Golden Grail Technology, a fast-growing company with a strategic mission to innovate, build, and streamline the growth of its beverage portfolio through fiscally responsible investing. They trade under the ticker GOGY. Good afternoon, Erin, and welcome to the show.
Mike, good to be here. It's been a while. Thank you for having me.
It has been, yeah. Great to have you back. Well, so first, Erin, you know what? You have a really interesting background, part of which consists of some heavy-duty beverage experience. So can you tell us about that, about your past experience and how you got involved with GOGY?
Sure. My background's been 20 plus years in the beverage industry, always in a marketing capacity. Started with the brand that I'm sure everybody now knows, Vitamin Water. I was the 10th employee there, helped them launch, get known. That was bought out by Coke for $4.1 billion. I think it's still the largest acquisition to date in the beverage industry. From there, went to Fuse Beverage. Again, was there very early on, helped the foundation, helped them poise for growth, worked with a distributor network of over 200 independent distributors. And that was another brand that was acquired by Coke. From there, went on to the energy drink category, helped build up some of those energy drinks. Then I became VP of marketing for Celsius, which really opened my eyes to the publicly traded markets, and that was a OTC company, similarly in the same position as GOGY, traded for maybe about 4 cents. Now it's trading on the NASDAQ for 40 cents. So help that brand with their foundation and poised for growth. I don't want to keep going and bore you, but the relevancy of the experience has now allowed me to be able to market not only beverage brands, position companies, but also have a very good handle on how to market securities and be in the publicly traded space, which is what has led me to now joining Golden Grail, ticker GOGY, to get them going.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's impressive because both those beverages are, I'm sure all of our audience has heard of them. Vitamin Water, of course, has been around for years, still going strong. And Celsius, of course, has exploded and is on store shelves all over the country. So yeah, that's a very impressive background. So Erin, next, tell us, what is Golden Grail all about? What is your mission in the beverage sector right now?
A strategic mission to innovate, grow, and streamline our beverage portfolio through fiscally responsible investing. Innovating the business of beverage. Now, what do I mean by that? So we had mentioned my background, and it's important to understand the difference between some of the historic brands versus what we're doing at Golden Grail. The typical approach in the beverage industry is an entrepreneur has a concept and then spends millions in years to try to get it to market. Golden Grail has turned that approach into a new method and is innovating the business of beverage. The definition of innovate is to make changes in something established, especially by introducing new methods. Golden Grail is doing just that. We've identified established brands that already have a proven sales history, loyal consumer base, and retail presence that are in need of a more experienced and sophisticated management in order to advance the brand. So we acquire brands through fiscally responsible investing as opposed to the established method of spending millions and taking years developing the brand.
And so Erin, next, let's move into some of the latest developments of the company.
Sure. We just successfully launched our Masters of Beverages and announced we're actually entering into the CBD infused category, both very exciting developments. Masters of Beverage was developed in order to accelerate the company's growth and expand lines of revenue. And the CBD beverage sector, it's going to be a $20 billion by 2024 with a compounded annual growth rate of a whopping 75%. We can't ignore that. We're entering into the CBD infused beverage portfolio, and the way that we're doing it is going to follow our mission of fiscally responsible. We are partnering with a South African manufacturer who's been successfully selling their own CBD line for over 7 years. So we know that the brand is well received, established, and the joint venture will allow us to get into the CBD market quickly and prudently, ultimately following our commitment to fiscally responsible investing. We're very excited about those two developments.
Great. Thanks, Erin. And next, just tell us a little bit real quick about what your current beverage portfolio looks like right now.
We're very proud of the portfolio that we have built in such a short period of time, in less than 1 year. We have a player in all the fastest growing categories in the industry. So the energy drink is a $15 billion industry. We have Spider Energy Drink. The bottled water category, notoriously year after year, the fastest growing category. It is a $283 billion category. And we have multiple offerings there. We have Trevi Essence Water and Cause Water. Furthermore, we have a very popular kids beverage, which is a $28 billion industry that actually crosses into the sparkling water category, which has recently also been reported as a very fast growing category. Those two brands are Tickle Water, and we actually developed Sketch Can, which kids will be able to draw on the can. Everybody's very excited about this. And then, as I discussed earlier, our CBD line, which is a category projected to be $20 billion by 2024. So our entire portfolio is set up in growth categories, strong categories, fast growing categories. All of our beverages are health conscious, low sugar, and packaged in environmentally friendly materials. Overall, Mike, Golden Grail Beverages represents responsible consumption on multiple levels. We are financially responsible. We are environmentally responsible, socially responsible, and consumer health responsible. We have a winning portfolio.
Great, Erin. Thank you. So with such a dynamic and robust business, what would you say are your current business objectives?
Yeah, the company, it's a fast-paced, fun, exciting. I mean, it's a company that I'm very excited to be a part. However, at the end of the day, what our priority is easy: shareholder value. Golden Grail's priority is to provide a solid return and growth for our shareholders. We do this through innovation and disrupting the business of beverage. Our business model is simple: build and grow a beverage portfolio through fiscally responsible investing. We've positioned ourselves so now we can use our seasoned management team, experience, contact, and quickly bring value to our brands. We take the work that have been done in the early stages of a product's development and get them to revenues in record time.
Great, Erin. And so let's just wrap up. That's all the questions for today, but I want to just leave people with this final thought. Why do you think people should invest in GOGY right now?
Well, an article written this past March in Motley Fool, who provides leading insight and analysis about stocks, did say beverage stocks are both timeless and recession-proof. So more specifically, why Golden Grail, which is a beverage stock? It's a great undervalued opportunity to get involved in beverage stocks. Much like when I joined Vitamin Water, Fuse, and Celsius. As mentioned earlier, when I was with Celsius, it was trading about 3 cents on the OTC. Now it's on the NASDAQ, trading around $40. So the upsides are fun and really exciting to be a part of. The beverage industry in its entirety is fun, fast-paced, and it's easy to understand. I think it was Warren Buffett that advised, invest in something you understand. And our business model is simple: growth by acquisition and distribution. We've successfully acquired 6 brands, all in growth categories in record time. And now we're entering into our distribution phase. And I remember at my former companies, when the timing was just about now before the distribution, it's when a lot of people who are rich now got involved. So it's almost the quiet before the sales. Investing in the stock market is all about learning, having fun, and making money over the long term. Golden Grail is fun. It's exciting. And we're trending in record time to get from acquisition to revenues. The more time we have to sell, the more revenue we will have. So research Golden Grail now, see what we've been accomplishing, see what we've done. Stock symbol is GOGY. We are one of the top trending stocks, and Golden Grail is a great opportunity for all level investors.
Great, Erin. Thank you. Well said. And we're looking forward to starting our coverage here on CEO Roadshow of Golden Grail Technologies, and to see how the company fares here over the next year or two. We'll be starting a series of webinars, some more interviews. So we look forward to digging deeper and following the growth of the company as you guys continue to develop that awesome beverage portfolio. So thanks, Erin. Really appreciate you joining us.
Mike, look forward to continued talks and the live webinars. That should be a lot of fun.
Absolutely. Talk to you soon.
Take care.
You too. All right, everyone. Again, we were talking to Miss Erin Heit. She's head of marketing for Golden Grail Technology. They're a fast-growing company with a strategic mission to innovate, build, and streamline the growth of its beverage portfolio through fiscally responsible investing. They trade under the ticker GOGY, and you can learn more about them at goldengrailbeverages.com. Thank you for watching CEO Roadshow, and stay tuned.